Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Toy Story trunk or treat is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways to transform your vehicle into a Halloween spectacle, bringing beloved characters and iconic scenes right to your neighborhood for an unforgettable trick-or-treating experience that will delight kids and adults alike with its immersive theming and playful design. Number 5. Halloween Trunk or Treat Car Decorations Kit, Red. Get everything you need for a spooktacular trunk or treat. This kit includes a creepy Halloween face, shiny red sequins, and plenty of balloons to transform your SUV into a haunted masterpiece. Make your Halloween unforgettable with this terrifyingly vivid face decor. Its bloodshot eyes and bloody fangs are sure to bring screams of delight to your guests. You can even customize the eyes and eyebrows for a truly unique look. This versatile decoration isn't just for cars. It's perfect for garage doors, windows, parties, and front doors, bringing Halloween spirit wherever you place it. Crafted from durable, waterproof PVC, this decoration is built to withstand the elements. It sticks firmly and won't fade, ensuring your Halloween display looks great, rain or shine. Setting up your Halloween display is a breeze with our upgraded double-sided adhesives. They offer strong hold for easy application and removal, keeping your car looking its best. What we like. If you're aiming for the spookiest and most eye-catching trunk on the block, this is the one. Its creepy, vivid face with bloody fangs and worms will definitely give everyone a fright. The waterproof PVC material ensures it holds up even in bad weather, making it perfect for outdoor Halloween events where durability is key. What people say. The decorations are vibrant and colorful, really bringing the Toy Story theme to life. Easy to assemble and attach to the car, making trunk or treating a breeze. The kit includes a variety of fun characters and accessories, offering great value for the price. Number 4. PJ Masks Trunk or Treat Decorations Kit. Make this Halloween extra special with our PJ Masks Trunk or Treat Decorations Kit. It's the perfect way to create a safe and exciting celebration for everyone. Setting up is a breeze with our kit, featuring your favorite heroes. You'll have everything you need for a fantastic display in no time. Crafted from safe materials, this decoration set is designed for everyone to enjoy. Gather your friends and family for a memorable Halloween experience. Bring the magic of PJ Masks to your car trunk. Whether you're at a neighborhood event or a community gathering, this kit is sure to impress. This is a high-quality decoration kit designed for your trunk or treat event. With easy spot cleaning, it's built to last and create lasting Halloween memories. What we like. For families with young children who are fans of the popular PJ Masks characters, this kit is a must-have. It brings Catboy, Owlette, and Gecko to your trunk, making it instantly recognizable and exciting for kids. If you want a hassle-free decoration that guarantees smiles from little ones, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a great addition to our trunk or treat. The decorations are colorful and vibrant, really bringing the Toy Story theme to life. It was easy to set up and arrange the pieces for a fun display. Number 3. Panelee Halloween Trunk or Treat Car Decoration Kit. Get ready for an unforgettable Halloween with our trunk or treat car decoration kit. It's designed to bring joy and excitement to your celebrations. This kit features a festive banner with a sky and clouds design, along with colorful balloons in red, yellow, and black. It also includes 6 ABC Toy Party boxes, perfect for filling with treats. Ignite creativity with our eye-catching letter block designs, spelling out TOYBC. These decorations are sure to captivate young minds and add a delightful touch to any event. Our decorations are designed to make a statement. The banner is large and eye-catching, and the party boxes are generously sized, making it easy to decorate your trunk, garage, or windows. Crafted from high-quality polyester fiber for the banner and sturdy cardboard for the treat boxes, these decorations are built to last. You can confidently fill them with goodies without worry. While ideal for Halloween, these versatile decorations are also suitable for game-themed parties, birthdays, baby showers, and more. Add a touch of fun wherever you go. What we like. If you're looking for a unique and interactive trunk or treat experience, this kit is ideal. The toy-inspired ABC blocks and large banner create a playful and engaging scene, and the included candy boxes are perfect for handing out treats. This is a great choice for those who want a decoration that doubles as a fun activity for kids. What people say. This is a great kit for the price. The decorations are very cute and fit the Toy Story theme perfectly. It was easy to put together and looked great on the car. Number 2. Mickey Halloween Trunk or Treat Card Decorations Kit. Get ready for Halloween with this amazing card decoration kit. It's perfect for making your vehicle stand out during trunk or treat events. Featuring beloved Mickey and Minnie Mouse designs, this officially licensed set brings Disney magic to your celebration. You'll receive over 200 pieces of fun. This comprehensive kit includes assorted decorations, fun cutouts, balloons, and tinsel to create an eye-catching display. It also comes with activities and giveaways for extra fun. Create a truly immersive scene with the included backdrop and standee. It's designed to make your car the ultimate Halloween destination. Unleash your creativity with tinsel, garland, balloons, stencils, stickers, and chalk. The possibilities for decorating are endless with this fantastic set. And that's not all. This kit is packed with much more to ensure your Halloween trunk or treat is a memorable success. Get yours today. What we like. If you're a fan of classic Disney characters and want a comprehensive decorating package, this Mickey Mouse kit is fantastic. It comes with a massive 200 pieces, including balloons, cutouts, and even fun giveaways for trick-or-treaters. This is perfect for anyone who loves a touch of Disney magic and wants a complete, easy-to-deploy decoration. What people say. The decorations are vibrant and capture the essence of Toy Story characters perfectly. Easy to assemble and attach to the car, making trunk decorating a breeze. The kit includes a variety of fun elements like character cutouts, themed balloons, and a banner, offering great value. Number 1. Halloween Trunk or Treat Car Decorations Kit. Get ready for Halloween with our amazing car decoration kit. It's designed to make your trunk stand out at any event. This comprehensive set includes a hanging cloth, various stickers like a pig and sailboat, and accessories to bring your design to life. With included magic stickers, double-sided tape, and ropes, setting up your festive display is a breeze. You'll create a magical atmosphere in no time. Our decorations are perfect for church events or outdoor parties. Embrace the spirit of the season with spooky and enchanting designs. Add a touch of Halloween magic to your car. This ensemble is perfect for creating a memorable and stylish statement at any Halloween gathering. Turn your Halloween celebration into a fearless adventure. These exciting decorations will help you create an epic and unforgettable experience. What we like. If you're seeking a creative and unexpected theme for your trunk or treat, this sea-themed kit offers a refreshing change. With a hanging cloth, unique stickers like a sailboat and pig, and other nautical elements, it's perfect for creating a brave voyage atmosphere. This is a great option if you want to stand out from the typical Halloween spooky decor. What people say. The decorations are vibrant and capture the essence of Toy Story characters perfectly. Easy to assemble and attach to the car, making trunk or treat setup a breeze. The kit includes a variety of fun elements like character cutouts and themed banners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.